Stay tuned to see my Akira shoe haul. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some boots that I picked up from Akira. These boots were on sale last month, so I purchased 5 of them. They all price range from $20 to $40. So excited to share with you guys what I got. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first pair of boots that I got are the Azalea Wang Lost in Your Eyes flat booty in the color taupe. And here they are. These are so cute, little UGG knockoffs with the little bling accessories that are just so cute. Short length, really cute boots to throw on with some joggers or jeans. Love these. And these were $20. The next pair of boots are the Can't Hold Back lace-up booty in the color camo. I absolutely love these boots. These also can be worn with some cute joggers or jeans. Really cute, casual, comfy boots. And I absolutely love the fur in the inside. So these will keep you warm, especially in this Chicago weather. Next up, we have the On Cloud 9 wedge booty in the color tan. And that's these here. Really like these also. They can be worn with some joggers or jeans as well. They also have the fur inside, which makes it very comfortable and warm. These are so cute. And these were $30. Next up, we have Feel the Attraction Pointed Toe Chunky Heel Booty. And these were $20. These are so cute. These can be dressed up or down. I love the chunky heel. I love the lacing. And there's no tongue in the lacing, so your foot kind of shows in the front there. These are super cute. And for $20, can't beat these. And last but not least, we have the Azalea Wang Step Closer Chunky Heel Booty in the color tan. And I absolutely love this print on these. Again, I love the chunky heel. These are super cute. These can be worn with some jeans or with a cute dress or a cute skirt. Definitely loving these. And these were $40. I will link all of the information in the description box below in case you want to purchase any of these boots. This shoe haul is from Akira. This is my first time purchasing boots from Akira, and I definitely love all 5 pair. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.